Today for the Bitcoin, but also for the altcoin prices, we will be talking about Bitcoin here and the simple fact that we have very, very interesting developments here in the Bitcoin charts right now. But also I do want to talk about Chainlink, which is coming right now dangerously close to this resistance level here, being very close to a breakout. I will be talking about one specific price target here for the Chainlink price and exactly how I am planning to rule the situation for Chainlink. But also I have a very, very important warning here for all altcoin holders out there. I do want to talk about whether I am expecting an up and coming altcoin season right now. Well guys, I can tell you one thing: all altcoin holders right now should be warned, and I will be telling you exactly why. I will be telling you exactly what I am expecting for the up and coming altcoin season. So make sure you take a seat, you scroll down, you smash up the like button for that video to at least 3,000 likes, you smash up the subscription button, the bell, press on all, and that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price, and I do want to talk about the Bitcoin price only very briefly. We have something very, very important to share. Nevertheless, something else is much more important today. Not only that the Chainlink price is coming to a very, very crucial point right now, I will be telling you exactly what I'm expecting here for the immediate future for Chainlink, but also the altcoin season in general. Many people are asking right now, is the altcoin season starting right now? You know, we can see all these altcoins popping up right now, having massive gains, and I will be sharing exactly with you what I'm predicting here for the altcoin season and whether I think the altcoin season is starting right now or not. And of course I will be sharing with you my specific game plan and exactly why I predict the altcoin season to start. So make sure you stay here and you watch this video all the way through until the end of the video. And of course guys, before I'm going into it here, very important, scroll down. You have been smashing up the like button like crazy. We are getting so many likes, so thank you so much for that. It's all we are asking for. Scroll down, smash up the like button, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. Only then you can make sure that you are not missing out on our next update. So let's get straight into it here, into the Bitcoin price. As you can see here on the 4-hourly candles, the Bitcoin price actually managed right now to go above the 4-hourly ribbon, and of course this is considered to be bullish. However, you can see previously sometimes it was a fake out and we just broke down once again. So it will be important not only to hold above the 4-hourly ribbon, but it will be even more important here to hold above the EMA daily ribbon. I mentioned it in the last videos. If Bitcoin is not able to go above the EMA daily ribbon here and close the daily candle, maybe even 2 daily candles above the EMA daily ribbon, then I think the odds for us significantly increase to actually break down out of this symmetrical triangle. However guys, very important to mention, I do think still that our likelihood is higher to break out bullishly here out of the symmetrical triangle. We are in an uptrend here, we went in bullish, we are putting in here higher lows and higher highs for Bitcoin, so statistically the chance is still higher to break above. But very important, the next checkpoint has to be that Bitcoin is closing above 9,450, 9,500 US dollars. Well, this is very close, but still we didn't close above yet, so we need this close above, and then I can tell you guys, our likelihood will significantly increase here towards the end of the triangle to break out bullishly here and to hit our price target of 11,500 to 11,700 US dollars, the technical target of this symmetrical triangle. But guys, here it is. This is the reason why most of you guys came into that episode. It is about the altcoins, the altcoin season. Is the altcoin season starting right now? And also many people interested in Chainlink. Well guys, I do want to talk about that because we mentioned Chainlink here in the last video with DaVinci J15 here in this video, and you remember how we mentioned this symmetrical triangle where Chainlink is actually bouncing between support and resistance. And look at this, I just shared this here an hour ago on our Twitter channel. By the way, follow us at MMCrypto, and I said here Chainlink is right now trying once more to break out of this symmetrical triangle. The technical target would lead Chainlink to a 60% pump. So guys, I want to talk about the possible altcoin season, whether I think that it is about to start or not, but I want to talk about this here before because we owe that actually to all of our followers. So many people interested in Chainlink, and of course I also announced that I will trade the breakout in case case Chainlink is breaking out. So yeah, I just felt the duty of covering that, because after our last coverage here with DaVinci J15, you see that Chainlink actually broke out and is right now approaching this target here. Well, we had a few touch points here before where Chainlink, yeah, not successfully was actually rejected here, but right now I can tell you guys, if Chainlink closes a daily candle above the symmetrical triangle, confirms the breakout, I will be going in with a very low leverage, but I will be going in and I will trade it against Bitcoin. Also guys, many people have been waiting for it here, the price target for the Chainlink breakout. In case Chainlink is breaking out, the measured move price target would be whopping, and guys, this is crazy. Look at this Satoshi value here. Of course, for many people this will not say a lot, but this is so 74,000 Satoshis, and it would be from the current price levels approximately a, let's measure this here, approximately a 60% pump towards the upside. Also guys, if you also want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, please do it always very responsibly. This is only for experienced traders, especially when we are talking about leverage trading. However, if you are, guys, scroll down in our pinned comment. We don't only have Bybit and DueDEX, but also Phemex here, and on Phemex you can trade Chainlink as well and many other altcoins by clicking this link. You put in your email address, your password, and after a 0.2 Bitcoin deposit, you can use only your free bonus for your free trade. So of course, best of luck to you guys, but only for experienced traders. If you are, take advantage of our up to $402 completely for free as a bonus. But now guys, this is the most important question. Is the altcoin season starting right now? And well guys, I can tell you, I want to put out a warning for everyone who is speculating on an altcoin season right now, because there are many reasons. I covered that already here in this video, like a year ago and 1.5 years ago, and our strategy has not changed yet. We are still not in altcoins, guys. We have been saying that so many times, and the last 2 years this prevented us from so many losses actually. So our strategy so far has been playing out very well for us. And this one here is the Bitcoin dominance, and you can see that these patterns are working very well for the Bitcoin dominance. Many people say, well, it's not working, it's dominance, it's percentage terms. Well, it is working very well. You can see here this descending triangle, the Bitcoin dominance broke out actually, and then you can see this symmetrical triangle where we had the breakdown, and here right now you can see, you could call it a bear flag, but you could also just call it here a rising channel. And the most important thing though is that Bitcoin is here, the Bitcoin dominance is right now here testing it, most probably successfully here. And if Bitcoin is actually able to successfully bounce from this trend line, then of course we have much more upside for the dominance, all the way up to 72% for the Bitcoin dominance, without even having the necessity to break out here. And here a big shout out to Crypto Jack. It's a friend of mine. He also has a YouTube channel. Check it out if you want. I will leave the link somewhere down in the description down below. He has been talking about that here on his channel, and yes, I do share his opinion here, and it is in perfect alignment to my own strategy, because I'm not going into altcoins right now. The simple reason for that is that I am waiting for a very easy thing to checkmark here. So the last season, the last altcoin season, you can see right here when the Bitcoin dominance fell off a cliff here, it was at the exact day here, look at this, on the 27th of February. On this day, the Bitcoin dominance fell off a cliff, and guess what happened on this specific day, guys? On this specific day, Bitcoin reached the all-time high, and this fits our narrative. This fits my own game plan here for the altcoin season, because I'm not going into altcoins unless Bitcoin reaches the old all-time high. Back in the days here, it was $1,300 and in the future, I am waiting for Bitcoin to reach over $19,700 at least for a week, and this will be the time when I will be going into Bitcoin. So I am predicting the Bitcoin dominance to go actually significantly higher, and once we are reaching the new all-time high, this will be the moment when I'm predicting the Bitcoin dominance to drop furthermore, and when I'm going into the altcoins also furthermore. Another thing which will be very important to observe here is the altcoin cap versus the Bitcoin cap. I covered that before here. And here, big credits to Willy Woo. Unfortunately, he is not continuing with this chart here. It actually stopped in December 2019, but we can still use it for our own purposes, because what he is doing here is he is dividing the altcoin cap. This is the brown line, the altcoin cap divided by the Bitcoin cap. And then you can plot the RSI here on the downside. And whenever here the RSI of the altcoin cap divided by the Bitcoin cap is oversold, this is the moment when you know, and I will show you how to use it on Tradingview, when you know that the altcoins are oversold towards Bitcoin. And this will be the moment, if this one check marks with the new all-time high of Bitcoin, when I will be going into the altcoins, and also speculating on the altcoin season. And you can see every single time Bitcoin actually came close here to the oversold levels of the RSI of the altcoin cap divided by the Bitcoin cap, we had a significant altcoin season afterwards. When the brown line here increases the altcoin cap divided by the Bitcoin cap, we have an altcoin season afterwards. Then here we hit the oversold levels, altcoin season afterwards. We hit the oversold levels, the biggest altcoin season afterwards. And right now, of course, I'm waiting for this to go down, hitting the oversold levels again. Right now, we are not really close to it. I want to show it to you here. You just type in this formula here, 100 minus BTC.D divided by BTC.D, which is the altcoin cap divided by the Bitcoin cap. So I am waiting here for this to maybe go more up, but then go back into the oversold territories. And if this coincides with a new all-time high for Bitcoin, this will be the exact moment when I'm going back into the altcoins. So guys, do not rush into altcoins prematurely. Make your own trading plan. So far, our trading plan was perfect here, just waiting on the sidelines, not FOMOing in. You know how many people got burned here speculating on altcoins prematurely. And always keep one thing in mind, guys. The whales know what's going on. The whales are accumulating here ever since we hit the local low for Bitcoin in March 2013. Look at this, at this specific point of time, the wave started accumulating here, and right now we are having a new local high of the whale addresses, the entities holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin out there. So the whales, the smart money, knows what to do. And if you look at the sentiment of the crowd right now, you can see they are fearful. And when they are fearful, this is the moment when the smart money is getting greedy. And the smart money is getting greedy right now. So be aware of that. They are not getting greedy. The smart money is not getting greedy on altcoins. They are getting greedy on Bitcoin. So please do not forget about that, especially at this crisis times. You can see here once again, big credits to charts.bull.com. You can see that the volatility of Bitcoin versus other assets here right now. Look at this, Bitcoin volatility went below emerging currencies and also below oil. I mean, the Bitcoin potential gains are much higher than for emerging currency in terms of purchasing power, and also much higher than for oil. However, the volatility is lower, so you are playing here with even a lower risk potentially here towards these assets. And of course, this will come down furthermore. And I can tell you guys, the risk return ratio for Bitcoin is unprecedented if you compare to other assets. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Make sure you leave your thoughts here in the comment section down below. And of course, make also sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button for that video. It is really appreciated. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.